Hello, I'm Marina Generalova and here is the latest economic calendar. Let's see which macroeconomic releases are due at the end of this week. On Thursday, Germany will release data on the producer prices for March, as experts support the annual index is likely to slip by 0.7%. On a monthly basis, it is expected to gain just 0.1%. In February, the index was flat in relation to the preceding months. However, the producer prices slid by 0.9% as compared to February 2013. The downfall was caused by decreasing energy prices. The shift downwards came in line with forecasts. It should be said that in January the drop was 1.1%. This tumble was the most abrupt for almost 4 years. By the way, the PPI dynamic is a leading indicator for the consumer inflation. Currently, the producer price inflation is hovering at low levels, instilling concerns all over the currency bloc. Moreover, Canada will announce changes in the producer prices in March. The index is projected to grow by 0.4% in relation to February and by 1% versus 2013. In February, the annual inflation slackened to 1.1%, following the speed up to 1.5% in January. Sluggish annual inflation is explained by oil prices losing 1.3% after gaining 4.6% in January. In relation to January, the prices went up by 0.8%. Moving onward, on Thursday, the United States will present statistics of manufacturing activity in Philadelphia for April. Forecasts are quite upbeat. The index looks likely to rise to 9.6 points. In March, the index jumped to 9 points, much better than minus 6.3 points logged in February. The analysts were hardly too ambitious in their estimates. The index had been projected to move up to 3.5 points only. The improvement in March is attributed to weather conditions. In March, the abnormal cold reeled back, thus stirring up the activity. There are some other events that should not go unmentioned. For instance, Thursday is going to be marked by a speech of Haruhiko Kuroda, Japan's central bank governor. The US authorities will unveil latest data on initial jobless claims over the last week. The following day is Good Friday. It is a non-working day in many European countries, so the economic calendar looks rather scanty. Japan will publish the February reading of the Tertiary Activity Index, while China will provide an update on the Housing Price Index for March. This is all for now. Stay tuned on InstaForexTV to be informed about the latest economic events.